Hey everybody, welcome back everyone to another video here on Justin Gardens. So today we're going to do part 9 of the Jimmie Johnson autograph hunt. So anyway, again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Love for y'all to come join us for more content, more videos. So we're going to do part 9 of this box right here. So we're going to go ahead and let's go ahead and get started. So anyway, again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Love for y'all to come join us for more content, more videos. So let's go ahead and begin with this. Don't worry, I did wash my hands before we started this, so we are good to go. Got a mix of packs everywhere. So anyway, I'm just going to pull one pack out at a time and just get started with it. So anyway, let's, whatever feels fit, we will save for at the end. So anyway, again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with part 9 of the Jimmie Johnson autograph hunt. Now people will say, well, what about the relic? Well, we already done found our Jimmie Johnson relic. So we don't have to worry about that. We already done found our relic. So we don't have to worry about that. So since we already done found it. Bill Elliott Classics. Not numbered. Nice Bill Elliott Classics. Dale Earnhardt Jr. This one is numbered 461 out of 499. Dale Earnhardt Jr. says, I can't tell what that says. If you guys know what that says, leave it in the comments. No clue what that says. But and more bases. So let's see what we can get here in our next pack. We got Casey Mears, Kyle Busch, Denny Hamlin, AJ Allmendinger, Matt Kenseth. I think this might be our autograph. This might be, but we'll save it for last if it is. So we'll set that right there just in case, and we'll check that and see if it is our auto. Since we already done found our Jimmie Johnson relic, we just need to find our Jimmie Johnson autograph is all we need to find now. So since we already done found our relic of Jimmie Johnson, so we don't have to worry about finding that. So let's see what we got here. Todd Gilliland. This one is numbered 331 out of 999. Cracked Ice, Todd Gilliland. It's a nice Todd Gilliland right there. Nice one. Add that in the pile there to get sleeved up. Got a Jeff Burton back to the 84 design. Not numbered. Nice Jeff Burton. Get that right there and put in the pile there to get sleeved up. Dale Jr., Casey King, Great Biffle, and Ricky Stenhouse Jr. To me, guys, I'm hoping, guys, we can find a Jimmie Johnson autograph. Hopefully not in this box, but our next one, that when we do. See what we can get here in our next one. Okay, let's see who we got here. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Blue. 250 out of 299. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Blue. 250 out of 299, Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Chase Elliott, Bobby Labonte, and Ryan Blaney. More bases. Now, people are kind of shocked why I'm not wearing gloves. Well, I forgot to get my pair of gloves. I forgot them. So I just try them without gloves this time. Do something a little bit different. Martin Truex Jr. What kind of Truex is this? Furniture Row, back to the 84 design. Martin Truex Jr., back to the 84 design. Haven't found a Jimmie Johnson back to the 84 design yet. And Ryan Newman. Haven't. But yeah, I realize we haven't found a Jimmie Johnson yet, so. See what we can get here out of these few packs we have. Alright, got Jimmie Johnson on the start. Elliott Sadler, Tony Stewart, Dale Earnhardt Jr. This might be a Dale Jr. box. Gold, Dale Earnhardt Jr. Gold. 265 out of 499. Dale Earnhardt Jr. Gold. That right there in the pile to get sleeved up. And Brad Keselowski. See what we get here out of this one. Austin Dillon. John Hunter Nemechek. Martin Truex Jr. Bubba Wallace. Chase Elliott Race Kings. Not numbered. First time we've seen a Chase Elliott Race Kings. Not numbered. And Joey Logano and Jamie McMurray. There at bottom there, a great bit full. So let's see what we can get here of our next pack. Got a Matt Crafton, Brad Keselowski, Eric Jones, Kevin Harvick, David Reagan, Terry Labonte. Not numbered. What is it called? The Junkman? I actually cannot tell what that says. If any of you know what this means, comment down below in the comments. Same with that Dale Earnhardt Jr. I think that says Jr. on it, but I think that's the Iceman. I believe Terry Labonte. Not numbered, but nice one. Right there. Brendan Gaughan, Carl Edwards, Ryan Blaney, and Danica Patrick. Okay, yeah, this one's thick. So let's see what we can get here in our next couple packs here. Jamie McMurray, Regan Smith, Matty D, Race King, Ryan Newman, Race Kings. No, Paul Menard, excuse me. Because a moment ago it looked like it said Ryan Newman, but Paul Menard, Race Kings. Not numbered. Nice Race Kings. Paul Menard. Not numbered. Bart Keselowski, Martin Truex Jr., Cameron Haley, and Chase Elliott. Right there. Whoops. Okay. Let's see what we can get here in our next one here. Joey Logano, Chris Buescher, Denny Hamlin, Kyle Busch. Kyle Busch Speed. That's our second time we pulled Kyle Busch at the cracked ice. 86 out of 999, Kyle Busch. Cracked ice. It is numbered 86 out of 999. That's our second time we pulled this one. Put that in the pile there to get sleeved up. I got a pile right there. The ones are numbered. Got a Dale Earnhardt Jr. Okay, what is up with this? This is our second one that we have pulled the Dale Earnhardt Jr. Not numbered. Again, if anybody knows what that means, I think that's his junior. I believe. But I can't tell. If any of you know what that says, leave it in the comments. That's our second one we have pulled. And Kurt Busch, that's our second one we have pulled of him. That's our second one in this video. What is this going to be? A Dale Earnhardt Jr. box? Hey, maybe for the junior fans out there. Daniel Suarez. Alright, some of these cards wants to stick. Daniel Suarez green, and this one is numbered 10 out of 199. Daniel Suarez, back to the 84 design, green. 10 out of 199. Daniel Suarez green. That's pretty good. I'll put that in that pile right there to get sleeved up. I got a separate pile right beside me to get all sleeved up. So yeah, I got a separate pile here to get all sleeved up and stuff. So anyway, let's see what we can get here in our next one. I got a Brad Keselowski, Daniel Patrick, Joey Logano, Tyler Reddick. Oh wow, that's the first time seeing this Jimmie Johnson. First time. Cut to the chase, Jimmie Johnson. That's a nice Jimmie Johnson when Jimmie won his 7th championship. Very, very nice. Cut to the chase, Jimmie Johnson. That's a nice Jimmie Johnson right there. Cut to the chase. Not numbered, but still, this is a nice card. Jimmie Johnson 2016 championship. That's really nice. Jimmie Johnson. That's really, really nice. Got it top tier. Dale Earnhardt Jr. top tier. Not numbered. Still a nice one. Kyle Busch and Chase Elliott. We got 2 rows of packs left, and then we are good to go. And we still have our autograph right there. Let me put that right there. Set that right there or whatever. So guess we'll do a mix cut right here to speed up this process a little bit. Guess we'll do a speed thing right here. Okay, yeah, that one's thick as well, so we'll we're going to do a big stack right here. Hoping here we can find the Jimmie Johnson autograph soon. Now, people are going to think, what do you mean? If you guys want to know, we already done pulled our Jimmie Johnson relic. If you guys want to see it, you guys are going to have to go back to part 7. If you want to watch that, you're going to have to go way back to part 7 if you want to see it. You're going to have to go way back to part 7. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We got a big old stack here. Alright, here we go. Joey Logano. Some of these cards want to stick. Joey Logano blue. And it is numbered 172 out of 299. Joey Logano blue. 172 out of 299 Joey Logano blue. That's a nice Joey Logano blue. Really nice. Put that right there to get sleeved up. Let's see what else we got here. Casey King, Terry Labonte. This one is numbered. Classics. Nice one right there. 767 out of 999. Terry Labonte, Cracked Ice. 767 out of 999. Terry Labonte. Put that right there to get sleeved up. Got a Clint Boyer back to the 84 design. That got second or third time. Not numbered. That we have pulled. Set that right there. See what else we get ourselves into. Alex Bowman, Michael Annette, Carl Edwards, Joey Logano, Call to the Hall, Richard Childers. We have done pulled this one how many times, I'll worry, but what it is, we got a Harry Grant Gold, and this one is numbered 134 out of 499. Harry Grant. 134 out of 499. Gold. Great Biffle. Let's see who else we can find. Montrex Jr. Speed. It's like a couple times we have already done pull this one. Couple times. Kate, not numbered. Rated rookie. Not numbered. See who else we can find. Carl Edwards. Track Masters. And this one is numbered. This one's Cracked Ice. 861 out of 999. Carl Edwards. That's a nice Carl Edwards right there. Cracked Ice. That's a nice Carl Edwards. 861 out of 999. Bobby Allison, back to the 84 design. Not numbered. That's a nice Bobby Allison. Okay. We got just a few left to go. We just got a few left to go. Go through the rest of these stacks right here to make it a lot easier. Hoping we can find a Jimmie Johnson autograph. Okay, we got one pack left. Alright, let's see what we got in this one before we'll go through in this big pile. Allgaier, Dale Jr., Michael McDowell, Denny Hallam. Denny Hallam, back to the 84 design, not numbered. First time we've seen the Denny Hallam. Denny Hallam and Corey LaJoie going at it, having their problems. Not numbered. Boyer, Ryan Newman, Jimmie, and Matt Kenseth. Alright, we got this big stack here. And then we are good to go. Suarez, A.J. Allmendinger, Joey Logano, Casey King, Joey Logano, Race Kings, not numbered. Not numbered, Joey Logano. Joey Logano again, Denny Hallam, Kevin Harvick, Austin Dillon, John Hunter Nemechek, Montrex Jr., Bubba Wallace, Chris Buescher, gold, 53 out of 499. 53 out of 499. Gold. Chris Buescher. See what else we have here. Matt Kenseth. 84 design, not numbered. Nice Matt Kenseth. Back to the 84 design. I think we should have one more, I believe. Trevor Bang blue. 193 out of 299. Trevor Bang blue. 193 of 299. Trevor Bang blue. Alright, we got our two thick ones, and then we'll get on to see who we have here, and then we'll get on out of here. And we'll go on and get out of here. Thank you all so much again for watching. Again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hoping we find our Jimmie Johnson autograph soon. If we don't find it in this one, then we have to go to part 10. If we don't find it, Chase Elliott, that's like our... Okay, we'll put that right there. Keith King, Kevin Harvick, and Chris Buescher. Alright, let's see who we got in this pile. Jimmie, Suarez. Let's see what else we have here. We have a Montrex Jr. Track Masters, and we have our relic right there. Jimmie, Newman, and Trevor Bang. Okay, let's see who we got here. Let's start with this one first. Chase Elliott. It's a Team Penske driver. Joey Logano, not numbered. Joey Logano, Robert Relics, not numbered. Joey Logano. What's up with these couple? It's a Hendrick Motorsports driver. It's green. I think I might know who this might be. Dale Earnhardt Jr., Robert Relics. Not numbered. Not numbered. Okay, so that's our relics. Okay, we'll figure out here. Okay, who's our auto? Okay, it doesn't say on that side. Of Todd Gilliland. Todd Gilliland is our auto. It's not numbered or anything. Got our Todd Gilliland. Not numbered. Okay, so guess we're going to have to go do part 10 for the Jimmie Johnson autograph and relic hunt. Part 10. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Love for y'all to come join us for more content, more videos. We'll do part 10 pretty soon. So anyway, thank you all so much. Stay safe and see you tomorrow. Stay safe, everybody.